Hello guys, and be welcome to another inbox review on the channel. Today I'll bring you the Spitfire MK.Vc from Eduard in 1/48 scale. This is part of a group build on my local model association, and I'm gonna show you everything that is inside. Stay tuned and let's find out together. See you in a bit, guys. So, like I said, Eduard Spitfire MK.Vc in 1/48 scale, weekend edition, which means that we have no masks or P with it, so it's a nice, basic, simple build. If that's possible with Eduard to have simple builds, because they go into a lot of detail. So this is the model, the item number 84192, and yeah, let's find out what's inside. So opening the box, we have a bag with clear parts, one bag with the wings and the fuselage, one bag with the exhausts and all the odd nuts, a bag with a lot of stuff that I don't have a clue what it is, but we find out, and then a bag with stuff for interior and outside. Then we have the instructions booklet and the decals. So let's start with the plastic parts. So obviously we need to open them. Move the bag further. So what we have here? In here we have the interior of the cockpit, levers and all whatnot. So yeah, like I said, with Eduard nothing is simple, so that's a lot of detail to go in. As you can see, cockpit, exhausts, antenna, no cannons, no, my bad, cannons. And yeah, this is all part of the interior. There's tiny amount of flash. The details are very neat and detailed. Yes, because they are details. And you have two types of propellers, 2 and 3 blade propeller. Cockpit, instrument panel, then all the other little bits and bobs. So on the other spool we have the cone for the propeller, we have the stabilizers and the vertical stabilizer, we have the wheels, the rear landing gear, the hubcaps, the door or the doors, depending on what you're doing. So yeah, as you can see, the mesh on the grid on here is very well molded and very well detailed. You have the rivets here as well. They look very fine and crispy. Not sure if you guys can see it properly, but yeah, it's looking good. So this is the first two screws. I'm gonna move the bag over here, so I might do that. The next one. So now we have another sprue. Here we go. This will be more cannons, I believe. A landing gear covers. I'm assuming that this will be a type of air intakes for depending on the version that you guys want to do. And yeah, again, even on the tiny parts, as you can see, no flash whatsoever, so looking really good. So let's open the next one. Don't Okay. There we go. We have the horizontal stabilizers, I believe. 2 sets of propellers, more exhausts. And yeah, another type of exhaust here. And again, as you guys can see, the level of detail, it's really, really good. Don't know if you guys can see properly. Let me try to zoom a little bit so that you guys can see what we have here. So as you guys can see, very, very detailed, very, very fine details here. They're looking good. Now, fuselage and wings. So yeah, we have the interior, so we have all those bits to add in here, which is good. And fuselage, very well detailed again. Nice line of rivets, you know. They are recessed rivets, but even though they are very, very good. So as you guys can see, amazing, amazing detail that I love. And then the wings, again, very, very well molded, no flash whatsoever, rivets looking good. And on the top part of the wings, I think we can have the bay guns open or closed depending on the options that we can have, but we'll see in a second on the instructions. And now we have the clear parts. Clear parts are not the typical Eduard circular web with parts, but these look really good, very fine molded, very, very clear, and I can't see any trace of scratches, so looks really good. Enjoying this kit so far. So, and the good thing is that I have less than a month to build it, so let's get going. Let me zoom this out a little bit so that we can see all the instructions. So instructions wise, it's the good old Eduard instructions, very detailed, very precise, which we like to be that way. As you can see, you have the call outs for what marks they should be and they should not be. They look good. So you have the clipped wings here, and then the junction, you have to fill the front, the line on the front, and then you can add the wing tips on here. Wheels with the wheel hubs, so they are good as well. Then the cannon. Then you have the 3-blade propeller. We have the mirror on top of the canopy. You have the antenna, the option of the doors open or closed, which looks rather snazzy and cool. Then you have the options. You have the A, which is RAF Hockenheim. Option B, RAF Princeton. This one is April to June 1942. This is June 1944. Then you have AF Corsica 1943 and Ahmed Ler Corsica 1943. This is from Corsica as well as this one. Then your general stencils position, so which is not that many, so should be good. Personally, I'm very tempted to do this one. I thoroughly enjoy doing the invasion stripes. I know that most people don't like. Pardon me. Some people don't like it, but I kind of like them, and it grows in me. So I want to do them. So having said that, this is our instructions. This is what we have to follow in order to achieve success, hopefully. Then we have the Eduard decals that everyone talks about them and everyone talks stuff about them, but we'll see. This is the ones that you can remove the carrier film. Personally, I have tried them before and they work fairly well. So I'm looking forward to work with them again and see what we can achieve. They look very good. They look very well printed. Colors are absolutely fine. So I'm looking forward. We have the decals for the seat belts as well here. So I look forward to apply these decals. And there you go, guys. This is what we have at the moment. So we have a nice, beautiful model kit from a Spitfire MK.Vc, where we have clear parts and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sets of sprues. I hope that you guys can like and subscribe this video, because I'll be building this and I'll be sharing the video build with you guys, and the only way for you guys not to lose track of it is to like and subscribe, and you get all the notifications. Don't forget to click on the notification bell, and you will get all the notifications when the video is live again. So again, I have less than a month to present it. I need to present this on the 9th of December, so I better get cracking and better get this build done. So thank you ever so much for watching. I'll see you all guys around. Bye bye for now.